What's up, YouTubers? Today we're going to have an initial impressions and look at the Ramon Chaves Scapegoat. Wow. This particular one I've been waiting for a little bit. This is the Fanatic Edge customized one. So it does chunk the price up a decent bit from, I don't know, like a 300, I want to say $360, $380 knife into the 500 range. But what it effectively does is it gives you the frag pattern customized. And then I chose to go with the anodization of basically, of course, you can see all the pieces that there are. This is not a full review. This is just a crazy, beautiful knife for those that want to check it out. This is the blurple colored pattern. I was in shock how beautiful this knife was. So my only reference point in terms of just for an initial quick look-see was the Ultramar Redención 229. This is a little bit longer blade. I want to say this one was like 3.6 inch blade. This particular Scapegoat has a 3.35 inch blade as I measured it. So just a smidge under there, a little bit smaller in the hand. It doesn't have this kind of upswing here, which provided a little bit of a sharpness if you're doing any sort of pull cuts. On the Redención 229, but also this one has a flat grind versus this compound grind where you have the flat on the kind of the more traditional Japanese tanto, and the hollow grind there. So I would prefer the hollow grind on this particular knife, but I think I kind of understand why they went with it. It definitely has a fairly robust tip on this one. So let's jump into just a quick look-see of it. Thumb stud deployment, has fantastic action, great re-op fit and finishing, super fidgety, very good left-handed. In terms of the capabilities of this, on initial here, just maybe the microphone will pick this up. It doesn't sound as great as the Redención 229 on deployment, but on the return, because it utilizes 2 stop pins, it has that ping. Hopefully that picked it up. But I guess I can show that real quick. You'll notice that you do not see on the 229 there the pin for the closed position. It does have a pin for the open position though. You can see that right there. But this particular one has a pin on the closed side and also on the open side. So you can see there's a pin there and there. Very interesting, I found that. A little bit smaller, like I said, actually a little bit more comfortable in the hand because of that. I think it's going to fit a lot more hands. It's going to be legal in a lot more areas. It has this nice finger choil, full finger choil. Love that. Honestly, I don't mind sacrificing that little half-inch blade to get a full choil to choke up and get right near there. So really, really good. I am extremely impressed with this. This one also comes with a clip that's just more modest and does not have the great Chaves clip, so that you can actually replace this with just one that won't announce, hey, this is a Chaves, I like to carry skulls out in the open. So for me, I think this is a knife I definitely will be carrying. Certainly I didn't carry that other one a whole lot more, primarily because of the excess of 3.5 inches, plus it was just not as comfortable. This one feels a lot more comfortable in the hand, and it's very beautiful. So this is just kind of an initial impressions. Oh yeah, this is a beautiful knife. And boy, I gotta tell you, that blurple, it can look blue or purple depending on what angle you're looking at it. That is just something special. Fantastic. I hope the camera kind of shows that up, and that holds true even for the thumb studs there. Depending on what angle you're looking at, it's purple, is it blue? So the blurple from Fanatic Edge, fantastic. I look forward to doing a full review of this in the coming months. Take care.